Good morning, YouTube. Well, today I'm at the International Wolf Center to learn about wolves. Told you it was going to be interesting. This is a little ways away from the Bear Center from the last video, just the other side of town, but another adventure. Let's go inside and see what we can learn about wolves. So this was wolf 6041. It was studied by the U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service, and he lived to be about 8 years old. He was actually was killed by a rival pack when they moved in to his territory. We get an idea of the skeleton underneath there. This is what a wolf skeleton would look like. Another one going through the woods.
Oh, here comes another one.
So through history, wolves were, way back when men were hunters, they were admired for their skill. But then when we got more into agriculture, they were starting to be portrayed as evil and the enemy. When they would, steal your livelihood by killing your animals. So, and that of course led to a bounty on wolves and hunting them from using planes and hunting and trapping them. They came damn close to making them wolves in the United States extinct. A pretty neat diorama of what wolves did, ways you'd see them. Who hasn't had a dog that rolled around like that, or two dogs that were figuring on dominance, or one's up there eating on a deer carcass with the ravens waiting. So you look at the size of a wolf compared to that of a coyote or a red fox. Okay, to get an idea of difference in size, the skull of a wolf, coyote, and red fox. We'll get an idea. We're all bears, dogs, wolves, fox, raccoons, all related. Just different branches of the evolutionary tree. And contrary to myth, wolves generally would not attack humans. they will try to stay out of their way. Well, I think that's going to conclude my visit to the International Wolf Center. Pretty interesting place. When the wolves came out, that was neat. They do have a thing on Saturdays after hours where you can come in for the feeding, a little for an additional cost. But for my werewolf friends out there, hi. I'll see you sometime out in the forest or as a human. I'm going to get back on the road and find a camping spot for the night and then see where it takes me. See you later, YouTube.